If you're seeing Epic Games error code II-E1003, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get the Epic Games launcher working again. This error usually shows up when the launcher is having trouble connecting properly, reading files correctly, or completing a download or update. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without needing any advanced tools. So stay with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to try first, what to check next, and when to reinstall as the final option. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PC fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is clear the Epic Games Launcher cache. This is one of the most effective fixes because cached files can become corrupted and cause all kinds of launch or download errors, including II-E1003. To do that, close the Epic Games Launcher completely. Don't just minimize it, make sure it's fully closed from the system tray as well. If you see the Epic icon near your clock, right-click it and exit the launcher completely. Once that's done, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run box. Now, type %locale app data % and press Enter. This will open your local app data folder, where Windows stores application files and cached data. In this folder, look for two folders named Epic Games Launcher and Epic Games. If you find them, delete both folders. Don't worry, this is only removing temporary and cached data, not your actual game purchases or account. After deleting those folders, restart your PC so the changes fully take effect. Once your computer boots back up, open the Epic Games Launcher again and check if the error is gone. If the launcher still gives you trouble, the next step is to verify your game files. This is especially useful if the error appears when launching or updating a specific game. Open Epic Games Launcher and go to your library. Find the game that's causing the issue, then click the three dots next to it. From the menu, select Manage, and then click Verify. Epic will now scan the installed files and compare them against the correct version on its servers. If anything is missing or corrupted, it will automatically repair those files for you. This step can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so be patient and let it finish completely. If the game files are damaged, this fix often resolves the error right away. Now, if you're using a VPN or a proxy, that could also be triggering the II-E1003 error. Epic services sometimes struggle when your connection is routed through certain network tools, especially during downloads, logins, or updates, so temporarily disable any active VPN or proxy service you have running on your system. Also, open the launcher, go into Settings, and make sure Use Proxy is unchecked if that option is enabled. After turning those off, restart the launcher and test again. A clean, direct connection is often enough to fix the issue. If you're still getting the error after trying those three steps, then the final option is to reinstall the Epic Games Launcher. This is the most drastic fix, but it can solve deeper launcher problems that cache clearing and file verification can't handle. First, uninstall the Epic Games Launcher from your computer. Just keep in mind that depending on your setup, this may also remove games installed through the launcher, so make sure you're okay with that before you continue. After uninstalling, go to the official Epic Games Store website and download the latest version of the launcher. Install it fresh, sign back in, and test the game or download again. A clean reinstall often clears up stubborn launcher errors and gives you a fresh start. So to quickly recap, if you want to fix Epic Games error code II-E1003, start by clearing the launcher cache, then verify your game files, then disable VPN or proxy settings, and if nothing works, reinstall the launcher from the official Epic Games website. That process solves the problem for most users without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.